Welcome to Amazing Record. Today, we're taking a glimpse into the extraordinary world of animal athletes. From karate-chopping chimps to soccer-playing elephants, these creatures will leave you in awe. So sit back, relax, and prepare to witness some truly incredible feats of athleticism. And don't forget, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. This is the ultimate beach volleyball dream team. The dog's a pro at assisting with the passes, while the man's unmatched when it comes to the spikes and smashes. Even when faced with two towering opponents, they make it look like a breeze. These two Muay Thai orangutans, their comical and humorous fight made me strangely reminiscent of Jackie Chan. Ricky, the monkey who loves tennis, plays with such confidence that he might as well challenge Federer when he has the chance.
Okay, nice. Okay. Whoa, nice. Hey. 싱글 쳤다. 이거 여갰다.
The Caracal's jaw-dropping jumping prowess would definitely earn them a gold medal in human high jump events. With their impressive leg muscles and agility, they can leap as high as 12 feet, 3.7 meters, vertically and up to 40 feet, 12 meters, horizontally in a single bound. Now that's what I call an Olympic-level athlete. In a battle of man versus bear that took place in the 1970s, our black bear wrestler displayed his unbeatable skills and gave the human wrestler a run for his money. With his mastery of technique, he showed the humans who was boss in the wrestling ring. In a soccer match in Argentina, the goalkeeper made a fatal mistake and the ball was heading straight for the goal. But at the last moment, a dog ran onto the field and saved the day, blocking the ball with a heroic leap. At that moment, that dog became a defender of global proportions. Charlie the chimp, with his incredible martial arts skills, moves with the poise and grace of a true maestro. It's a real shame he's not out there starring in kung fu movies. He's got all the moves. Hold on to your hats, folks. In Nepal, they have an elephant soccer game, and one elephant demonstrated a striker-like intuition as it scored a goal right in front of the net. Move aside, Ronaldo and Messi, the new superstar striker is an elephant. Welcome to the Parrot Basketball League, where every player's got mad dunking skills and can slam it down with a single beak. It's even more exciting than the NBA. Wondering how the real-life turtle and hare race would turn out to be? You guessed it right, the fairy tale didn't deceive us. Meet Twiggy, the water-skiing squirrel who exudes nothing but professional elegance with every move. Believe it or not, skimming across the water has become his full-time gig at the zoo. Those two cats playing soccer were amazing. The cat goalie did a great job blocking the shots, but that final goal was awesome. It was the perfect ending to a fantastic game. The red panda practicing on the rings is just too cute as it puts in the effort for some yummy treats. The kangaroo boxing match with the boxer was quite a spectacle, but it seems the two had different understandings of the rules. Faced with a kangaroo that combined punches with kicks, the boxer was knocked out repeatedly and left in a very awkward position. Guess what? A tortoise is practicing sprints, and it's incredible to see how fast he's picking up speed. Check out the feline goalkeeper in action. This kitty has lightning-quick reflexes and a knack for blocking shots like a pro. He's so skilled and agile, it's like he was born to play the position. Move over, human keepers. The cat goalie is here to steal the show. That kitty playing ping pong with a human was a real baller, but that last shot was a real catastrophe. It hit the other cat right in the face. I bet that was a real cat fight after the game. Clean interception, dribble past defenders, calmly slotting it home. This goldfish was definitely named Messi. The little monkey showcasing equestrian skills on the football field is a natural. With poise and composure to rival any pro rider, he looks right at home atop his trusty steed, even if that steed happens to be a dog. If you're bad at playing pool, don't call yourself a dog. Just take a look at this cute pup who's nailing every shot. When faced with a penalty kick, the dog rushed forward and heroically blocked the ball, but the question is, should the ball be counted as a goal? An 18-man team versus a single horse in a tug-of-war battle, and the results? Let's just say it was not pretty. If you enjoyed today's video, please subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.